Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here with the Umarex Zelos and we're going to be doing an installation video on the metal rail kit that we make for it. First thing I did here was remove the screw that comes in this barrel band. I like to just slide this towards the back here and then just get some leverage on this. Make sure to follow manufacturer recommendations when removing this tube. Screwing it counterclockwise here. You're going to hear some air release when that valve closes. Then you just slide that out. Slide this off the end. Put that out of the way. We're not going to use that anymore. We're going to take our front piece. The chamfer section here goes towards the front of the rifle. And you're just going to slide it onto the back of the tube here. Actually, before I do that, I want to do a quick installation of a barrel band that we make also on this. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this on the tube first because I want it towards the front of the rifle. So go ahead and slide that down out of the way. And it's going to be snug. We've got silicone friction pads in here. One thing to note, let me grab the other one. If you get this and these are not fully seated, give them a good press. Make sure that they're pressed on in place before you start this process. So I just slid that down the tube a little ways. I'm going to go with the back piece here. The rear piece has these cutouts that are designed to engage on the chassis of the rifle here and on the trigger guard. So we'll go ahead and put that on, make sure that those cutouts are facing the rear of the rifle. Just like that. We can slide this back on. The barrel band's going to go in over the shroud. This isn't included in the purchase of the rail kit, but we do sell these separately. Once you've got this screwed all the way on, you'll hear the pressure again as that valve is engaged. Now, these need to be straightened up. You can use some ballast on these if you want to be able to move it around a little easier. I think I will go ahead and do that. Okay. There we go. We're going to have to adjust it, move it around a little bit till we get it set where we want it. You'll see when you've got it rotated correctly, it slides right onto there, just like that. Place this on and get a couple screws started. All right. Now we can move to the front side. Just again, slide this to where it lines up with the hole. That screw just acts as a clamp around the tube, so you can tighten that down. Nothing too crazy. That silicone friction pad that we have in there really does a great job at keeping everything in place, so you don't need to over tighten this at all, but that will prevent it from sliding forward once you've got everything installed. So now we can just take this piece and fasten down the front end of it. Now that we have that side on, I'll just flip it over Alright, once you have all the screws in place, you can go around and just snug them up. Hand tight's fine. That's basically it.